Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12. Now we can express this 16 as product of 4 times 4. So we have 3 power 4 times 4 minus this we express as 3 power 12 is simply 4 times 3. Now if you have a power n times n equals a power n or 3 power of n. Applying this right here and here, we have 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 3. Now from here, 3 to the power of 4, that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that's 81 power 4 minus this is 81 also power 3. We can express this 4 as summation of 3 and 1. We have 81 3 plus 1, that is the same thing as 4 minus 81 power 3. If you have a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. Applying this right here, we have 81 power 3 times 81 power 1, which is the same thing as 81, minus 81 power 3. 81 power 3, 81 power 3, we factor that out. We have 81 power 3 times this divided by 81 power 3. We have 81 minus this divided by 81 power 3. We have 1. From here, we have 81 power 3 times this is 80. Now remember, 81 equals 3 times 3. 3 times 3, that means 3 power 4. We have 3 power 4 raised to the power of 3 times 80. From here, you have a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. Applying this here, we have 3 power 4 times 3, that is 12 times 80. We simply have 3 power, you can express 12 as summation of 10 and 2 times 80. We go back to the same identity of a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. Applying this right here, we are simply going to have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 80. So from here, we need to find the value of 3 power 10. We can express it as 3 power 5 times 2. This will give us 9 times 80. And remember, if you have a power n times m equals a power n or power m. Applying this right here, we are going to have 3 power 5 all power 2 times 9 times 80. And from here, if you have 3 power 5, this equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9, 27, 81. This is 243. You have 243 over 2 times 9 times 80. From here, 243 power 2, this is 243 power 2 equals 243 times 243. Let's multiply that out. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12 carry over 1, 4 times 4, 16, plus 1, 17 carry over 1, 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up 9, 4. This is 20. 0 carry over 2 out here. 9 carry over 1 out here. 5. 594 now. So we come over here. This is 594. 9 times 80. Let's multiply this out. 594 9 times 9. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 8. That is 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4. We have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 8, 53. 531441. That means we are going to multiply 531441 by 80, right? The 80 here. So let's do that. 531441 times 80. We start by multiplying through 0 using 0. 0 times 1, 0 times 4, 0 times 4 again, 0 times 1, 0 times 3, 0 times 5. Let's proceed to use 8. 8 times 1, 8 times 4, that is 32, 2 carry over 3. 8 times 4 again, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 5 carry over 3. 8 times 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over 1. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 carry over 2. 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. I add up together. So when I do that, what I'm going to have is this is 0, 8, 2, 5, 1, 5, 4, 2. So this is 42,515,280. So ladies and gentlemen, to evaluate with our calculator, 3 power 16 minus 3 power 12 equals 42,515,280. And we have achieved this without the use of a calculator. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can solve it step by step and you get your answer. So guys, that is it. See you again. See you some other time. Thank you and goodbye.